ಇವತ್ತು ಗೋಪಾಲನ್ ಮಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಉಮ್ಮೀದ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅವರು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ನಾನೊಂದು 2-3 ಈವೆಂಟು ಉಮ್ಮೀದು ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸೋಲು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಆದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಚಿರಋಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ 24/7. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಈಚೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವರ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸು, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ತ್ಯಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೆಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟು ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹಾಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಫ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಈವೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಗೋಪಾಲನ್ ಮಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ರೇಖಾ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಗೋಪಾಲನ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.
I'm Rekha and I work with marketing team at Gopalan Group. We are delighted to host this wonderful special event in collaboration with Ummid Foundation for our wonderful and beautiful talented special children. At Gopalan Group, we believe that every child is unique, gifted and deserves opportunity, and here we at Gopalan give them the space where they can showcase their talent. We are honored to be a part of this beautiful event and we support them in all ways. Thank you all for being here, and also this is a very special. Let's all celebrate this amazing children and let's create a beautiful memory together. Thank you all. Thank you.
I'm Sutit Mukherjee, the founder of Ummid Foundation. So today the children of Ummid Foundation, they are actually performing in Gopalan Arcade, and I train them. The special children, I'm sure all of you are aware of, they are gifted with special gift of music. They may not be gifted with many other things, but somehow music is something which actually is so ingrained in their system that I got the motivation to actually train them and take them to the public so that they can share their music. So when they start sharing their music, it becomes much more empowering and powerful for them. They also feel happier as a human being when they start sharing their music. So today is one such event which we are doing it in Gopalan Arcade, and there's so many crowd there. They are cheering them, and there even some people are really surprised to also know that they actually can perform just like a typical child. So I think all of us should be aware of this fact that they are very talented and we should come forward to actually support them more. Thank you so much.
I'm Dr. Nitika, founder of Elevation Foundation. So we have started this foundation 6 months back with the vision of supporting these individuals, neurodivergent individuals, because we all are aware that we call them special needs, but I prefer to call them neurodivergent. Why? Because neurologically they are little different, but they have a special talent. So music wise, we have always seen that they have the creativity, they have the talent, and even the neurotypical can't beat them. So one of our program is Manora, through which we have been doing such performances for them to support inclusion. So the main vision is to support inclusion, and this is a platform, and I would like to thank Gopalan Mall and Ummid team, Mr. Suhirto, for this opportunity where we could collaborate together to include them, and not include them, include us with them to showcase their talent, and we are really happy to be a part of it, and this such kind of programs always motivate. So the main aim of this program is to make the public aware that they have special talent and we should always include them in the society. And thank you once again.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಗೋಪಾಲನ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿನ ಮಹತ್ವ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ತುಂಬ ಸಂಗೀತದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷ್ನಲ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸಮಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿನ ಥೀಮು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಸಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಸಾಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.